Have you heard about these crazy channels where everything, the voice, the video, even the script, is made by AI? Take a look at this video, for example.
How do you deal with disrespect? Disrespect is a common challenge that we all face in life, and it can be very upsetting and frustrating.
Right off the bat, you can tell something interesting is going on. The voice narrating sounds like it could be easily generated by AI, which, as you'll see later, is totally possible. The images used are also AI generated, and even the script itself could be created with the help of AI tools. This particular channel, despite not having a human narrator or fancy visuals, is pulling in a whopping 2 million views a month. That could translate to anywhere from $5,000 to $8,000 a month in pure profits. They're raking in millions of views a month, and the owners could be going from flipping burgers to driving Range Rovers in record time. But
someone has to flip the burgers, dog.
Let's make sure it's not you. I'm not exaggerating. There are channels out there that are completely AI generated, and they're crushing it on YouTube. It might sound unbelievable, but with the tech we have today, one person could run a whole channel for like $30 a month. So, what's the deal? Why are these channels blowing up so fast? Well, YouTube recently switched up its game. They're focusing on a whole new way of doing things, and guess what? It's a huge opportunity for smaller channels like yours and mine. YouTube's algorithm recently changed to focus on a whole new metric that prioritizes smaller channels. And this change was definitely influenced by TikTok. You see, on TikTok, smaller accounts are pushed to the For You page to help them get a wave of views in their first few videos. This is a huge motivation for anyone starting out, and it incentivizes creators to keep making more and more content. YouTube has adopted this algorithm, and now the only two things that matter on YouTube are your CTR and average view duration. If you crack these two metrics, you will see your video shoot up in no time. So what exactly is CTR and why does it matter? Your click-through rate is basically determined by the number of people clicking on your content every time it's shown on their feed. And to achieve a high click-through rate, you have to make a compelling thumbnail and title, but it's not all. After people click on your videos, if you can just somehow make viewers watch most of your video, you get to keep all the cake. No matter how shitty your video is, how much people hate you, if you can get these two things up, you're gonna crush it, bro. There are plenty of channels like this one where the entire channel is using AI to generate content and racking up millions of views each month. There are AI channels in literally every single niche that you can imagine. Tech, gaming, education, finance, and the list goes on. But what can you learn from this, and how can you replicate this success? Choose a topic that interests you. Create a script that provides valuable information or is entertaining. Record a simple voiceover, edit a compelling video that will keep viewers watching, and make sure to have an interesting title and thumbnail. For video editing, use Premiere Pro or CapCut. I personally use Premiere Pro, but CapCut is still the easiest and fastest. For script writing, use ChatGPT or Copy.ai. For creating thumbnails, Canva is the easiest. For voiceovers, the best AI voice software currently is 11 Labs. In fact, the voice you're hearing right now is generated using 11 Labs. Once your video is done, just upload it without trying to be a perfectionist. You will get better in time, so don't overthink it. And then once your video is live and people like it, it's only a matter of time until you see millions of views and change your life forever. And just so you know, YouTube has never been easier and more accessible than it is right now.